Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now. So just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on general. When you just click here on general here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click here on language here. When you just click here on language, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select or change the language here on your AnkiDroid app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.